Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you yesterday's daily cipher word, which was Telegram. For you guys who have not yet done it, Telegram. Then as always we line up the letters T, E, L, E, G, R, A, M, and then we find the corresponding Morse codes. So for T, it's a long press on T. Then E, you tap once, single tap. Then L is here, tap, long press, tap, tap. L is tap, long press, tap, tap. Okay, then E is single tap. Then J is long press, tap, long press, tap. Then R is this, tap, long press, tap. R is tap, long press, tap. A, it's tap, long press, tap, long press. Then M is this, long press, long press. Then let us get the phone and we put in this Morse code. As always, click on the second item from the left, Daily Cipher, till this button turns red. Now let us put in the Morse codes. We said T, you long press, then E, single tap. Why is it done like that? Let me state again. T, long press, E, single tap, then L, tap, long press, tap, tap. Then E again, single tap. G, long press, tap. Then R, tap, long press, tap. Oh, I messed up. Let me T, tap, tap. E again, G, and tap, long press, tap. Then A, then M, and the word is Telegram. Lastly, click on take the prize and you'll be good to go. That was the daily cipher word, Telegram. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next videos.